Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to erase sticker with Picsart application. So the first thing that you will need to do is to go to the store of your smartphone. Either you can go to Play Store if you have an Android, or you can just go to the App Store if you have an iOS phone. So now basically we need to download the Picsart software or app. So we go to the search field and search for Picsart. So basically we go here, we search for it, and then we will need to click on this icon, and then you will need to click on get or download, depends on the store that you are using. We click on get, then you will need to confirm and add your password, etc. And after that we are going to wait for the app to download. So basically now we are just going to wait for it to download, and those are like the informations or all the infos concerning this application. So basically after the download and the installation has finished, we need to go to our application. So we are going to click on it, and now we will need to wait until it opens. And as you can see, you can just allow the track or other things. So let's go here, and now we will need to create an account, or we can just log in on one of these accounts like Google, Facebook, or Snapchat, or Apple accounts. So if you want to create your account with email, just click on create an account, or you can just sign in with your Google account. You click on continue, you choose the account that you want to connect with, you add your informations, and then you will be able to use this application. So for the moment, let's just skip by clicking on this X at the corner. We click on it, and now we will be able to use the application. So all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. And now all you need to do is to choose any image where you want to erase the sticker. So for example, this image that I have chosen. So I'm going to add some stickers. So for example, let's add this sticker, for example. So I'm just going to let it here, and basically it is just on my layer. To erase it or to delete it, all you need to do is to click on the sticker. You click on this erase button on the top of the screen. You click on it. Basically, let's go back. Right, this. You can either do like this and start erasing the layer or the toolbar, or you can just click on this X on the corner so it can delete this sticker. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.